that's in this building. It's an amazing thing to see. It's a miracle, really, actually, given everything that's happening in the world. It's a miracle to look out and see people from all over the world in one room with no fighting. So thank you for that.
Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Today you see me on the road because I am going to a very exciting place. I am going to Abu Dhabi for Coldplay's concert, Music of the Spheres. It's happening here in Abu Dhabi, so I am traveling from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, and on my way you can see there's immense traffic in the way. It was just bumper to bumper from the start till the very place that we were going. So now guys, the cars have been parked and these are the buses. I'll just show you up close and we'll take the bus to Zayed Sports City where the concert would be happening. These are the shuttle buses. Let's take one and leave. So we actually parked at Al Raha and then from there we took the coaster and went to the stadium. So this is the entrance to the stadium. You guys could see the stadium from here. And we have a fan zone approaching now, guys, so I'll meet you guys over there. The fan zone was really happening. Everybody was just enjoying themselves. The music was being played by the DJ over here in the fan zone. So that's why everybody close to that was just dancing and enjoying. And it was still, I think, 2.5 hours left until the start of the time for the concert to happen. So everybody was sitting around waiting because we had to take coasters and buses to reach the venue. Everybody was well before time. We had to park our vehicles way behind and come over here on the buses and coasters. And we were hungry, so we came to Wingstop to have their wings, and it was good. Like, it was okay-ish, I must say. Anyhow, that's the view that is from there. And now we are here with in the stadium. It's post the sunset time, and there was a singer. She's a Palestinian singer named Aliana, and she was performing. So before Coldplay's performance, it was her performance, and people were just gathering around, and everybody thought that the concert has actually started, but it actually wasn't. And people were gathering because it had to start at 8 p.m. But around 6:45 ish or 6:50 she started having her side of the concert, and then it ended at around 7:20ish or something, and then the next part of the concert started post 8 p.m. So her part was also entertaining. We also liked it, so I'm adding the clips for you guys for there. So guys, here Coldplay came over and you can see Chris Martin. He was just singing Adventure of a Lifetime for us. And do you see these lights? They gave us the bands, the LED bands, which was sparkling alongside the beats of the songs. And it was so magical, so magical. I am at loss of words. I cannot explain how magical the whole aura of the event, of the concert was. It was more like an experience rather than a concert. And you could see again the same monkeys that are in the video of Adventure of a Lifetime.
That's in this building. It's an amazing thing to see. It's a miracle, really, actually, given everything that's happening in the world. It's a miracle to look out and see people from all over the world in one room with no fighting. So thank you for that. So, I see some of you have written signs. I can't read all of them, but I will read some of the signs and then we'll see what happens, okay? You've come to 3 cities, thank you so much. Torno Mexico, I like that. Back again after 2 days, thank you. My name is also Chris. Okay, hey Chris, how you doing? Viva la vida, I think we played that. Yes, we did already play that. So, can I come on step? Maybe love from Mumbai. Well, we'll be in Mumbai next week, which is exciting. We welcome you from South Africa, we welcome you from Pakistan, we welcome you from India, we welcome you from Lebanon, we welcome you from Syria, we welcome you from Israel, we welcome you from Palestine, we welcome you from so many places. Iran, Saudi Arabia, Oman, wherever you come from, Afghanistan. Sri Lanka, Ecuador, we welcome you. Wow, I'm a doctor, okay. Nice to see you, nice to see you. Wow, there's too many signs, okay. Okay, you come 155,000. Well, you come a long way, thank you for coming. That is an amazing picture. Paradise, Ross, True Love, Shall We Sing? Don't Panic. Well, so first I'd like to say to your parents, I apologize for Coldplay, because this is terrible. This is terrible news. So what I'd like to do is ask you, which exam did you skip? Medicine exam. Well, okay, this could be problematic. Well, let me help you. This is the hand, this is the arm, this is the leg, the heart, the lungs, the liver, the stomach, the legs, exactly. So you guys are good. I think you got it. That's all you need. And what would you like us to sing for you today? Tell me what? No, you can tell me. I know what I'm doing. So listen, thank you for being here. Please promise me that you'll go home and study tomorrow, okay? Otherwise I'll feel bad, especially if I come back to Abu Dhabi in 20 years and I have a terrible doctor. But remember me? I'm gonna cut your leg off.
Here, guys, he was finishing Higher Power, and do you see the lights? They look so amazing. How the stage and everything was lit up, and I was, just showing you guys my band, which is constantly lighting up with so many lights. Like, I thoroughly loved it how he ended the high parts. Now, one of my favorite songs started and it was Paradise. So if you guys have lately been fan of Chris, see how energetic he was, the way he was singing, and see how the lights were lighting up and we were enjoying the Paradise song with him. We were singing all the time. I was singing at the top of my vocal cords, and the arena, do you see, it's magic. It's like his concert. If you guys have to make sure that you have to attend Coldplay's concert, because it's not just a concert. Do you see the lights and all? It's more than an experience. It's a magic that's being trying to portray by them, and it lets your heart, it opens your heart, it makes you so happy. Trust me, you guys, really. Again, here he was just muted himself. He let himself a little bit paused for some time, and he was asking us to sing the song and to end Paradise. And more than that, you could see post the ending of the song, such lights they lit up, and our LED bands they flash out, and it's the whole arena is just all black with few lights here and there. It's an experience, I tell you. Here he started with The Scientist, and if any one of you who's watching my video is a Coldplay fan, they might have known that this is one of the most touching songs apart from Fix You that they have produced. And the song, it just melted everybody was just crying. Even right now when I'm doing voiceover, it's like it's giving me such different goosebumps, thinking about the moment when I was listening to him singing this song, because it just goes and penetrates into you. It lets you know that it's not easy, but it's okay. And then it was the time for him for The Weekend, which is one of his most famous songs. I think most people who started liking Coldplay, or who started watching their songs, or who started listening to their songs was because of this song. And do you see the graphics? How they have tried to portray that old movie style of black and white with distinct colors being distributed on the stage, but on the TV screen, he was all muted into black and white with the fireworks from time to time. It was so magical. I was so absorbed. Everybody around me, we were so absorbed with these fireworks that were coming out, along with the lyrics that he was singing. This song, the way they were playing it, it was really magical. I cannot describe. I am at loss of words describing about the amazingness, the effects, the fireworks that were taken out with the song is amazing. And then we are here with the other one. Here, guys, they were singing Speed of Sound, and why we were enjoying so much because the colors, the glitteriness, our LEDs were constantly lighting up with so many different colors. It was not just one color, like in the further songs, I would show you that respective colors would be there, but here it was all the colors, and it was constantly, it was blue, it was white, it was red, it was orange, it was green. Anyhow, it was so magical. I am saying this again and again, but I just wanted to let you people know that how amazing these songs were being sung by Chris Martin and his team. They were definitely playing the best of their music, and the whole arena, the whole Zaid Sports Stadium was just lighting up with so many lights. And do you see the colors? It was making us all so happy from the depth of our hearts. Here he started with one of my favorite songs from Coldplay, that is. You can see from the LED lights, it's all yellow. So yeah, it was yellow, and it was unexplainable the way it was. You see, my punctuation, my grammar, everything is just gone here and there because I'm just losing words right now. The way it was, but yellow was so magical. The how the lights were dimming and then they were spreading light, they were beaming up, and how he was singing yellow, and how he was letting us sing with him. It's like too good. The whole arena is being green right now. See, my LED lights are all green because it's the clocks that's being sung by him. And do you see how pretty it looks? Like his the LED lights around him and all the lights, he's been marked as black and green, and so are our wristbands. They were all green. It was magical. It was amazing. One gets delusional in what kind of world you are right now. It's so glittery. It's so warm, it's so lit up. You cannot find any misery or sorrow around. It's all just happiness that is being spread by the people who are in front of us, as well as all the people along with us, in front of us, besides us, who are all just enjoying and spreading positivity and love around. I thoroughly love this song a lot, and that's why you could see me just vibing here and there, moving my phone because I was just singing, and I was just moving here and there, enjoying the song at its full pulse. And I never wanted to cut out this clip just to show you the aura of this whole arena and how out of nowhere suddenly the whole set of lights light up. The next song is the most amazing song of the evening, and I wanted to record it thoroughly for you guys. It is something just like this, but all you fans of Coldplay out there, if you have heard this song, you would have known how amazing this song is. So I forgot to record it in the other orientation because I'm posting videos, reels on Instagram as well. So it was recorded for Instagram in this way, but it's okay. You can just see the thing, but then I'll explain it to you. The guy, Chris Martin, he's wearing a face mask, and then he's trying to portray the different kinds of heroes that are being mentioned, Hercules, Spider-Man, etc. in the song. And with the lights, we are just vibing. It's the lights that are being emitted by the stage only. Our LED wristbands were not lighted up at this point in time. And then he just called upon a guy from his security team down, and he called him up on the stage so that he could just hand him over the mask. And then you see what that guy would do. It was the best part of the evening, let me tell you. We all enjoyed it so thoroughly, and it was so amazing. See, he's just going down, grabbing that guy. He's a cute, plumpish guy like me. I'm also a plumpish person, and he would just hand him over the mask, and the guy would be standing in such an amazing position post the mask has been handed over to him. It's like, you see, and the guitarist, the drummer, etc., they were all wearing the masks because this was the vibe of the song for them. But what that you see, he's just see the pose of the guard. He was just standing like such an amazing person out there. Apologies my words, he was a security person actually. And then there were all lights that were just beaming around because the song was at its peak. And then post the beaming of these lights, there would be a part where you would see that guy dancing his lungs out, dancing his heart out, and he would exhibit such an amazing show. Much more detail of this dance would be on my reel in my Instagram account. I would link it here if you want to go and see it. But it was amazing. You can just go Google anywhere about Coldplay concert in Abu Dhabi and the security guy dancing on the floor. You would be able to see the details out of it. But really, it was so amazing. I cannot even explain it to you guys. I'm really at short of words. And see, he was ending the dance like this. You see, it was just a simple last glance that I'm showing you. Otherwise, he was amazing in what he did. And then Chris just went and hugged him. So for me, I'm a very emotional person, and this is the most emotional song that I could ever hear and relate to. Seriously, I can relate it to this song so much in the recent years that I cannot explain. So it was Fix You, and really this concert, this magical evening, I cannot even describe how much did it try to fix me, and did it? I think it did, in some ways or not in some ways, but then I would just take those some ways in which it tried to fix me. So it this evening changed me, brought a whole new altogether person out of me, and I'm so happy and glad that I started off the year with this amazing night, with this amazing song being listened in front of me, sung by the most favorite singer I have. And I cannot tell you how good I felt after listening to it. And everybody was just crying. It was not just me. This song is so pure. It touches your soul in such a way that everybody was just crying listening to this song. And this guy was just taking it all slow. The emotions were going down. I have been seeing some videos on YouTube and on Instagram as well of how people were really crying in the song. And then here, you guys, he ended the night with Sparks. So if anybody of you is a real Coldplay fan, he or she would have listened to their previous albums, and Sparks was part of it. So basically, he was singing Sparks, and then I have added My Universe into it as well. It's a mixture of these two songs and this one clip. So apart from Sparks, My Universe was also there because the Korean guys were not there. So he said that, okay, you can make use of whatever Korean you know from watching the Korean dramas, K dramas, and you can sing along with him. And My Universe is one of my peak favorite songs from Coldplay, apart from a lot of others. And trust me, I cannot put my sound behind in this video, but my lungs were all out because I was, singing it so loudly, and I was just being myself. Nobody was there to judge me the way I was singing, the way I was dancing. So it was just me in my own aura, in my own self, enjoying the night out that I actually did. And I would really like to thank you guys for supporting me on YouTube, and I would really appreciate if you guys support me much more by subscribing to my channel, subscribing to Dubai Diaries, sharing it with your friends and family, and making sure to like and comment on my this video, to letting me know how was the concert that you saw from my eyes in this video. If you are not able to go somewhere, sometimes you just go around, try to find a video related to that, and you just try to see it. So that's what I try to do in this video for you guys as well. So just write it to me, how did you like, and do you see the lights sparkling at the end, because the concert was ending and My Universe ended, and it's a wrap. And it was so heavy for us. We just wanted them to play forever and ever for us, and our wristbands were all glooming up with colors because it was the end. And that's it, you guys. I hope you have liked this prettiness. It was the mesh of paper that was all being spreaded up. It was all being split up into the people who were standing over there, and all the planets were being spread all around. So it was magical. And they say believe in love. With that, take care, you guys, and bye bye.